subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei has silently launched its new budget smartphone under Y series called Huawei Y6s and listed on their official website showing its design and specifications. The new Huawei Y6s is seen to support a water drop notch style display with thin bezels and a small chin at the bottom. The rear panel of the device looks to come in dual tone colors like the Google Pixel phone, and it carries a single camera setup at the top left corner including LED flash. There is also a fingerprint sensor equipped on the rear panel for authentication. The power button along with the volume rockers are present on the right edge, while the ejectable SIM card slot is located on the left side. The bottom of the phone houses a dual speaker grille including a micro USB charging port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack is on the top. The physical dimensions of the device is listed to measure at 156.28 by 73.5 by 8 mm and it weighs around 150 grams. The listing also reveals the smartphone will come in orchid blue and starry black color options. Talking about the specifications, the Huawei Y6s comes featured by a 6.09-inch IPS LCD display with HD plus resolution and 87% screen to body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek's Helio P35 chipset paired with IMG PowerVR GE8320 GPU. The device packs with 3GB of RAM and 32 or 64GB of internal storage that can also be further expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Huawei Y6s supports 13MP camera on the rear with f1.8 aperture, and for selfies there is a 8MP camera at the front with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 9 Pie out of the box based on EMUI 9.1, and it comes backed by a 3020 mAh battery. Now talking about the pricing and availability. At present, the company has not revealed any details related to pricing and availability, but according to specs, we can expect the Huawei Y6s will be priced under 7,000 Indian rupees or $100 US, and it will be soon available globally in the coming days. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Y6s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.